This is what my friend Steven told me in reply to me saying I was just going to try this song without listening to it first. So, Steven, you're famous. Alright. From Mary Poppins. Early each day, steps of St. Paul's, a little bird woman she calls. In her special way, people she calls come bags full of crumbs. Feed the birds, show them you care. You'll be glad that you do. Young ones are hungry, the best are so bad. All takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence in a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence in a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries. While ahead, birds fill the sky. All around the cathedral, saints and apostles, down she sails her wares. Though you can't see it, though they are smiling, each time someone shows they care. The words are simple and few. Listen, oh listen, she's calling for you. Feed the birds, tuppence in a bag. Tuppence, 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 tuppence in a bag. Words are simple and few. Listen, oh listen, she's calling for you. Feed those birds, tuppence in a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence in a bag. Song I'd never heard before. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. There's a land once lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Once land known. Why can't I lay a wish upon a star, wake up when the clouds are far behind me? Troubles melt like lemon drops way above the chimney tops. It's where you'll find me. Not a good improvisation. This is where you should just give me gratuitous cheers. I'm out. Peace.